Welcome back to part 2 of our story on Archimedes, the genius who changed the world. In part 1, we saw how a simple test of a golden crown led Archimedes to discover the principle of buoyancy, the eureka moment that made him a legend. But Archimedes' journey didn't stop there. In this part, we'll explore how his inventions, his mathematical genius, and his unshakable spirit shaped the ancient world, from his revolutionary missions to his final moments during the siege of Syracuse. Let's continue the incredible story of Archimedes, the man who combined science, imagination, and courage to leave a mark that still inspires us today. Archimedes' genius didn't stop there. He invented the Archimedes screw, a simple machine to lift water for irrigation, still used today in many parts of the world. He explained the law of the lever, famously declaring, "Give me a place to stand, and I'll move the earth." He built compound pulleys, catapults, and even mechanical clocks. He used mathematics to explain why some things float, and discovered formulas for the area and volume of spheres and cylinders. 2000 years before Newton, Archimedes had already explored ideas close to calculus. In 214 BC, war came to Syracuse. The Romans, led by General Marcus Marcellus, laid siege to the city. But Archimedes was ready. He designed giant catapults, cranes, and even a claw of Archimedes, a machine that could lift enemy ships from the sea and crash them back down. Ancient writers also said he used burning mirrors, a large polished shields focusing sunlight to set Roman ships on fire. Though debated, it added to his legendary reputation as a genius inventor. Eventually, Syracuse fell to the Romans. General Marcellus had ordered his soldiers, "Don't harm Archimedes, bring him to me safely." But one soldier found Archimedes deep in thought, drawing geometric figures in the sand. The soldier shouted, "Come with me to the general." Archimedes replied calmly, "Don't disturb my circles." In anger or misunderstanding, the soldier killed him with his sword. Thus ended the life of one of the history's greatest geniuses, at the age of about 75. Archimedes' ideas live on in everything around us, from ships that float, pumps that move water, and machines that lift heavy loads, to the very principle that guide engineering, physics, and mathematics today. The Roman philosopher Cicero later found Archimedes' forgotten tomb, engraved with a spear and cylinder, representing his favorite geometric discovery. Centuries later, Galileo, Newton, and Einstein would praise him as one of the greatest minds who ever lived. Einstein once said, "Archimedes' discoveries are among the most brilliant ever made by the human mind." From a curious boy in Syracuse to a man who changed how we understand the universe, Archimedes proved that curiosity is the beginning of genius. Even after 2 millennia, his voice still echoes through history, not in words, but in the endless wonder of human discovery. Thanks a lot for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share to know more about the unknown.